Do you need a heavy-duty dump trailer that's a step above the rest in capacity and quality? Check out the 25DU Tandem Dual Gooseneck Dump Trailer from Big Tex Trailers. This trailer's large volume and high weight rating are ideal for various construction debris and construction or landscape aggregates like dirt or mulch. Let's dive into the features that make the 25DU a true workhorse. The 25DU spacious dump box is built to handle massive loads and can easily carry all types of loose debris and materials, including trash, sand, and gravel. And with a durable 10-gauge floor, it's constructed to withstand nearly anything you can throw in it. The included crank-style rolled tarp and tarp shroud will help ensure load securement on the open road. When it's time to unload, the 25DU's hydraulic scissor lift system with power-up and gravity-down functionality ensures efficient and safe offloading, assisted by the 45-degree dump angle. To ensure a smooth and reliable journey, regardless of the distance or payload weight, the 25DU is equipped with tandem 10,000-pound axles featuring dual wheels and forward self-adjusting brakes. Additionally, it boasts oil bath axles and Valcrum caps, which create a robust lubrication system, ensuring optimal performance throughout your hauling experience. The 25DU isn't just about hauling debris, it's also ready to help haul heavy equipment to the job site. Thanks to its 4 D-rings and optional equipment ramps, loading and securing your equipment is a breeze. Connecting the 25DU to your tow vehicle is simple with the square adjustable crank gooseneck coupler. We've also added 2 12,000-pound sidewind drop leg jacks to ensure stability during both loading and unloading. Best of all, the 25DU is built with the same quality and attention to detail that has made Big Tex the #1 professional-grade trailer manufacturer in America. You can trust that this dump trailer will stand the test of time. Visit BigTexTrailers.com today to learn more about the 25DU. Locate your nearest Big Tex dealer and see why Big Tex is with you for the long haul.